Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we're going to show you how to cancel your Netflix subscription directly from your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Netflix app on your device and sign into your account. Look for your profile icon and tap on it. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the drop-down menu, then select Account. You'll be redirected to your account settings. Scroll down to the Membership and Billing section and tap Cancel Membership. In the Cancel section, Netflix will ask you to confirm. Select Finish Cancellation to continue. You must select a reason why you want to unsubscribe and press Done. You will receive confirmation that your subscription will be cancelled and you can still use it until the end of your billing cycle. And that's it. Now you know how to cancel your Netflix subscription from your phone.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.